Selineminyaka emihlanu lasungulwa Ikomidi Longqongqoshe Elibhekele Ukubulawa Kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natali. Ikomidi lasungulwa emva kokwanda kwegameko zokubulawa kosombusazwe esifundazweni. Ungqongqoshe Ubhekele uthi angu-381 amacala aphenywayo kusola kwasungulwa ikomidi ngo-2018, kanti angu-52 amakhansela asebulewe kusukela ngo-2011 iningi lawo awe-ANC.
While 52 councillors have been gunned down since 2011, to date, alarmingly, 103 officials working within municipalities and as political office bearers and officials of political parties were killed.
Ungqongqoshe uthi ikomidi licubungula kusungulwa kwenkantolo ezoqula amacala okubulawa kosombusazwe ngokukhethekile.
The IMC has resolved that there will be dedicated courts to speedily prosecute these matters. You can see that some they take too long, like Kashana Mkhun is taking too long.
Ikomidi linxusa nemaqembu ezombusazwe ukuthi aqeqeshane ngokulungisa ingxabano zangaphakathi ngaphandle kokusebenzisa udlame. Kusenjalo kuso lesithangami kudalelwe nokuthi sesihlonziwe isibhamu esabulala umculo we-hip hop uKenan Forbes obedume ngelika AKA, kanti nezimoto ezasetshenziswa ukubaleka emva kwesigameko nazo zihlonziwe.
We've identified at least a couple of vehicles that were used. Some of vehicles were used as getaway, some of vehicles that were used as spotters, some of the vehicles that might have been used by people after the fact.
We-AKA wadutshulwa wabulawa ngaphandle kwendawo yobumnandi eThekwini ngasekupheleni kaNhlolanja nonyaka.